Tool lots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Hi, my name is Kyle LaRue and I'm with Tool Lots, and today we're going to be introducing the Ving large format 30 by 40 manual heat press. Just a background on this machine. This is used to transfer ink onto different types of materials such as t-shirts, pillowcases, blankets. It's capable of transferring ink to cotton as well as synthetic blend materials. The only difference in the transfer process is the paper used. So when you're transferring to a cotton material, you're going to need to use a transfer paper. If you're transferring to a synthetic material, you're going to need to use a sublimation paper. So now that we've gone over just kind of the basics of what this machine does, let's go ahead and begin our install. So this machine comes with 4 legs, not assembled. It's also a 220 volt system, so you're going to need an Allen wrench and the bolts that come with the shipment to install the legs. You're also going to need some sort of support system, forklift pallet rack. And here we have some foam supports to try and prevent any damage from the forklift, as well as a wood beam that's going across in between the 2 legs of the forklift to try and evenly support the weight. So once you have these materials in place, let's go ahead and begin installing our legs. So once you have all 4 of your legs installed, now we can move to the power hookup. So again, this machine is a 220 volt 3-phase. So you have your 3 live lines and your 1 ground. So when you're hooking up or working with your voltages, always make sure your breaker is off or unplugged. In our scenario, we're going to be connecting it directly to a wire. Maybe in your warehouse you'll have an electrical panel that you can hook the machine directly up into the panel. So let's grab our line here. So the way this machine heats up, it actually has 3 separate heating zones, and each live line connects to one of the heating zones. So for our system, we have our dark gray as our ground line. So we'll hook that one up first so we don't mix that up. Connections. So now that we have our power wired up, we can go ahead and flip our breaker switch, and we see our LCD or control panel light up with our 3 LED indicators showing that we have proper power connection. So that covers the basics for the installation process. Please tune in for our next video where we'll cover the operation of the machine. So thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed.